Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the euro currency. So you can see yesterday trading session was relatively quiet. We see on the chart it was an inside session, and we are gradually coming to our setup that we talked about in the weekly report. And currently we're considering the reaching of the major support areas around 110 level. This is major 618 support and XOP target of this ABC top pattern. So that creates the by the Napoli framework is agreement area, which is relatively strong support and should trigger at least some pullback here to the upside. Currently, as you can see, market shows the minor pullback in reaction on the reaching of the oversold. It has happened on Friday. This was the sell-off here, and then it was 1 day pause, and right now market still stands in this retracement. So currently market has not reached yet the target, but we are gradually coming to it, and today we consider how we potentially could take the position here. So as a result of this combination, we will get the Gartley's triple to buy pattern. The Gartley's triple to buy sets the target for us, so we, based on this pattern, we could suggest that it should be at least 30% pullback. And it's approximately 1066 area. So that will be approximately 60-70 pips potential for the trade, which is not really small. I suppose that's probably market could even retest the B point, its least lows. So with this pullback, market could reach the resistance here, and then turn to some other action. That's what we will take a look in the nearest few sessions. On the intraday chart, guys, currently you could see that this minor retracement, the shape of the retracement, how market behaves, doesn't look like some reversals action, or we do not see big acceleration, fast action. So it means that this is just a retracement. And we have something like this one and that one, it's pullbacks. I would suggest that here potentially we could get the butterfly, because the position here is very natural and logical. Extension of this most recent retracement, 1618 extension, led market to complete the XOP target and simultaneously reach the major 618 support. So appearing of this butterfly looks very probable. And that is the pattern that potentially scalp traders could use. So if you intend to take the long position here, you could use this pattern also as the background for your trade, because you will be at major support and agreement area, butterfly will be formed, and that will be the point where you could consider possibly taking the long position. So on the hourly chart, I just would like to show you how tricky the retracement stand when it is forming retracement divergence, when it is forming not at major support and not at some strong destination area or something like that, or when forming somewhere in the way down. So take a look that first divergence has been formed here. Later it increased more and more, and now it's still forming the divergence. But market from this point continues dropping. Also take a look that market keeps harmonic swings very accurately here. And this point on Friday we even got just a half of the normal harmonic swing, so just 50% of this distance has been passed, and then market has collapsed again. Now we can see here with this pullback, market again has formed the harmonic swing. As I said, take a look at the nature of this price action. It is not kind of the reversal action, it's even weaker than here. Also, it seems that here we could get the grabber. Let's take a look. Based on MACD, which the line stands very close. So right, so take a look here, we've got the bearish grabber, and it seems that really we could consider here the possible downward continuation, because grabber suggests taking out of these lows. and maybe indeed the butterfly will be formed. So that's approximately the setup that we're following right now. It actually, today update brings nothing really new to the topic that we discussed on the weekly report, but still it brings some new details, the shape of the particular patterns that could be formed, and in general how we will deal with this trading setup.